Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Crypto.com customer service in 2025. Let's get into it. So first, open up the Crypto.com app and log in. Once you're in, tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner. From there, scroll down until you see settings and tap it. That'll open your account and profile settings. Next, scroll to the very bottom and tap support. This takes you to the Help Center where you'll find articles on common problems like two-factor authentication, login issues, or payments. If the articles don't fix your problem, scroll further and tap Contact Support. Then just choose Send us a message. Select your language, describe your issue, and send it off. Crypto.com usually replies within about 2 hours, sometimes even faster. You'll get a reply both inside the app and by email. And just so you know, you can also reach support on their website at help.crypto.com. But honestly, the in-app option is quicker, and that's really it. To recap, log in, go to settings, tap support, and then send us a message. Simple and fast. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.